The given question says, which digit in 4076 has the same place value and face value? So let me write down the number first. 4076. So this number we read as 4076. This 6 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place, and 4 is in thousands place. So 4, 0, 7 and 6. Let me write down the phase value and place value against each digit in the number 4076. The phase value of 4, as we know, is the number itself, which is 4. The place value of 4 will be equal to 4 multiplied by the value of the place in which it exists, that is 1000. So the place value of 4 will be equal to 4000. The phase value of 0 will be the digit itself, that is 0, and the place value will be 0 multiplied by the value of the place, which is 100. 0 into 100 is equal to 0. 0 into anything is equal to 0. The phase value of 7 is again 7. Place value of 7 will be equal to 7 into where? 7 into the value of its place, that is tens, as 7 exists in tens place. So 7 into 10 is 70. Now the phase value of 6, which exists in ones place, is equal to 6, and the place value of 6 will be equal to 6 into 1 is equal to 6. So now my friends, look very carefully over here, because there may be silly mistakes in this particular type of question. So the question asks, which digits in 4076 has the same place value and face value? You see over here, the face value of 4 is 4, whereas place value is 4000. So these two are not equal. So this is not the option. We have to look here for the digit which has got the same place value and face value. Look friend, 0, the place value of 0 is 0 and the face value is also 0. So we can write the place value and face value of the 0 are equal. So this is one of the right option. Coming to the next digit, that is 7. The face value of 7 is 7, whereas the place value is 70. Again here these two are unequal. Coming to the last digit, the face value of 6 is 6 and the place value is also 6, as because face value is the number itself and the place value the number multiplied by 1, which is again the number itself. So the face value and the place value are equal for digits in units place or ones place. So this is also one of the right option. So you see over here 0 and 6 are both the correct answers. So 4 and 0, 0 and 7, option C 6 only. You may be tempted to think that 6 may be the right answer, because 6 has got the face value of 6 and place value of 6. But if you check properly, you can see that 0 has also got the same place value and place value. So this option D, 6 and 0, is the right option. So here we can conclude that 0 may exist anywhere in a number. It has the same face value and the place value wherever it may exist. And also we can conclude or we can infer these two things from this question, that 0 may exist anywhere in a number. It has got the same place value and place value, as because 0 into the value of the place, it may be 1000, it may be 100, it may be 10, multiplied by 0 always gives you 0. And the second inference that we can draw from this particular question is that the face value and place value of the digit in units or ones place are always equal. So for any number, the face value and place value of the digit in the units place are always equal. You can see that phase value is the number itself and place value is the number multiplied by 1. Therefore, these two inference you can draw from this particular equation. Please don't get confused by such tricky question. If our videos and website www.decodmonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodmonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.